Hello everybody, I'm Para, and in today's video I'm about to show you how to deploy an airdrop contract using DexAppBuilder. You will be able to airdrop the amount selected of addresses your ERC20 token in the supported network. Let's start with this video. The first thing to do is to navigate into DexAppBuilder.dexkit.com. I will leave you in the comments the link for the platform. Once you're here, you need to click on Connect Wallet, choose your wallet among the display ones, connected, confirm, and click now on DexGenerator Deploy Contract. The second option. Your wallet will be asking you for a digital signature. You just need to sign in. This is a safe operation. And you will see now all the contracts available to deploy with DexAppBuilder, our no-code, low-code tool. Let's search for the airdrop contract. We have in the end several contracts. We have the Airdrop ERC1155. This is for NFTs. We have the Airdrop ERC20. This is to airdrop ERC20 tokens, as it says here. The claimable ERC20 airdrop contract will need to navigate into your DApp and claim directly this airdrop. And the last one is the Airdrop ERC721. This is for the other standard of NFTs. For this video, we are being using this Airdrop ERC20 contract. We just need to click on there and wait until the formulary loads. As you can see, here's the formulary. We need to choose in the first instance the network that we are about to deploy. For this case, we are about to use DNB Smart Chain Testnet because we don't want to spend any real crypto on this purpose, because this is an illustrative video, and as well we just deployed in the past video a meme coin to show you how to do it on the Binance testnet. So we're about to use this same token that we deployed in the past video to airdrop the users with this contract that we're about to deploy. Okay, we just load all the formulary, we choose our network. Now we put a name for this contract. If the token calls world famous price, let's do something like this. The symbol is the ticker. Keep it short. For example, this one. And the description. And in the end, just choose an image for this. You can select among the ones you have, or just add one from your computer. We pick one. We have everything here. You can see that you can use AI completion here to help yourself to get better data for these fields. We don't need it. Now we click on deploy contract and wait for the wallet interaction. It's a matter of time. Just wait for a few seconds. Here we go. Okay, my wallet is telling me that it's charging me a little amount of TBNB, that is the testnet BNB. I will confirm it. As a note, we are not charging anything for using this tool. Everything here is free. all the fees that you're about to pay every time that you deploy a contract, all those fees will be for the network gas. We are keeping our earnings zero on here because we have another financing tools or manners. So our goal is to keep this product free. We have some premium perks, but the essence of this tool of DexAppBuilder is to be an open source tool and forever. We are not planning to charge never for using this tool, so feel free to use it all time you want. That we don't have anything sketchy behind this. Okay, now we see that our contract is deployed correctly. We have several options here to choose. We have the manage one, create form. This is for most advanced contract interactions. You can create a form and just trigger some functions on this contract, and this is very handy in some kind of DApps where you don't want your people to interact with the contract directly. You just want to abstract some functions and put in there so the people can use it. So we are not using this at the moment. We are not viewing all the contracts we have, and you can see the contracts on the Explorer. Let's give it a look to see if it's correctly deployed. You can see that the contract has its address. The contract is here, is verified. It's an Airdrop ERC20 token from Fairweb. This is open source and audited, so it doesn't have any security issues. So now we have the contract. We click here on manage. Here is the contract that we just deployed on testnet, and we see that we have 3 tabs here with information to fill. Also, we can read some things distinctive for this contract, as the name, the image that we just selected, the network, the description, the concept of the contract, the link on the Explorer, and the address with the tabs first mentioned. In the first tab, we have the Airdrop tab, the most important thing. In order to select the token that we are just about to airdrop, we need to click on select and choose among the tokens we have here. But if we don't have any token here because we didn't import it, don't worry, you can copy your token address, you can go back and paste it. You can see that the system will scan and find your token. You just click on there, you will see all the supply available for the token. That is all of this. We go back, and now we will go to total recipients and click on select. You will see here a modal with some options to consider. For example, the first one is add a record. This is for add a manual address. You can click here, you put the address, you put the quantity of the airdrop, and you click on save. Once you do it here, it will load the address here. For example, I will do this for the same address I have connected in MetaMask, that is this address. This is the address. I will airdrop 10 tokens and save. You can do the same for all the other addresses you are about to airdrop. But let's try the most efficient way to do this. Let's click on cancel. Remember to select the token. Now we click on select here and we click on export. Clicking on here will download a sheet or a draft that we can use for this purpose. Now you can see this is a simple sheet. where you will paste the address and the quantity of tokens that you're about to airdrop. For example, let's try with this address. Let's find more addresses. It is a CSV file, okay? We need to download as a CSV again. If you are using Excel, it will be easy for you to save, but we are not using Excel, so now we go back, we click on import, we import the document, and you can see that it does the work for us. Okay, it's easier to fill with hundreds and thousands of addresses. Once you finish here, you can click also on export and download these new addresses. Okay, we finish here to select the airdrop addresses. We see that this is the total airdrop, the recipients, and the balance. Before doing the airdrops, let's check on the metadata of the contract. You can see that you can change the image, the name, and the description anytime. When you click on update, it will trigger a transaction to the blockchain. So this can cost you a little fee on the gas fees on the selected blockchain, and it will change the metadata for your contract. And in the admin section, you can determine some addresses here as an admin, a transfer address or several transfer addresses, more minter or creator addresses, persons that can deploy more airdrops with this contract, poser of this contract, lister, asset, unwrap. All these functions are by default working fine. If you want to change it or change them anytime, you can do it, but we don't recommend to change this as long as you need it really. So we finish this. Now we will click on airdrop and wait for the contract interaction. You can see there the wallet is asking you to approve the expenditure of the token. Wait for the confirmation. It won't take too much. Now the transaction for the airdrop. Another wallet confirmation. Click on send and just wait until all the funds are split. As you can see, we have a confirmed transaction and everything must be done. Let's click on view transaction. This is the TX for the transaction. You can see this is the BNB Smart Chain testnet transaction only. And you can see that my address interacted with the contract and send 10 tokens to this address, 10 tokens to this one, and 5 tokens to this one. This was the amount paid on gas. It holds 0 value because we are on testnet, and as you can see, easily we would be able to airdrop thousands, even millions of addresses just by giving some clicks without any line of code and without any headache or hassle. This is the end of this video. I hope you like it, and click on the like button and subscribe and keep updated with the upcoming videos for this amazing tool that we are loving to create and develop for you. Thank you very much, and have an amazing day.